Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to merge layers. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is, so let's say I have these layers that I want to go ahead and merge. Right now they're on separate layers, so if I were to erase some of this, then only that would click. If I were to click on this and erase that, then only that, and so on and so forth. In order to merge these together, you want to make sure that they're canonically above or below each other, and then right click on a layer and then press merge down. So now this layer is a part of this layer. So now you'll see if I erase both, it'll be the same. And then if I do it again, it'll flatten all three of these layers, and now they're all a part of the same layer for me to edit at the same time. Hopefully I explained that pretty well. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.